Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Indian Landmark. In this video, I will talk about the McLeodganj and places to visit in McLeodganj. McLeodganj is located at 6,830 feet. McLeodganj is a beautiful town situated near Upper Dharamsala. It is also known as Little Lhasa and famous around the world for being home to the Tibetan spiritual leader Dalai Lama. The towns of Dharamsala, McLeodganj, Bhaksu Nag and Kangra are situated very close to each other and tourists must cover all these destinations while traveling here. McLeodganj's culture is a beautiful blend of Tibetan with some British influence. This town has one of the most mesmerizing landscapes in the entire state of Himachal Pradesh and attract a lot of tourists throughout the year. Places to visit in McLeodganj. First one is Bhaksu Falls. The Bhaksu waterfall is perhaps the most famous tourist spot in Dharamsala and attracts tourists who wish to revel in the glories of nature and spend some quiet moment in peace and serenity. The Bhaksu waterfall is located on the main road which connects McLeodganj and Dharamsala and is an ideal location for picnicking with family and loved ones. The prime attraction here is the famous Bhaksunath temple. Second one is Namgyal Monastery. Dalai Lama, the Tibetan spiritual leader, is believed to have his abode at Namgyal Monastery in McLeodganj, which is also the largest Tibetan temple outside Tibet. The serenity and ambience that this place creates in the mind of its visitor are enough to attract even those who are not inclined towards this religion. The Namgyal Monastery is often referred to as Dalai Lama's temple as it is the personal monastery of the 14th Dalai Lama. Third one is Suglak Khanj complex. It is the place where the Dalai Lama resides. It is one of the most significant places of worship which attracts devotees from all over the world and serves tourists as well. This complex houses Dalai Lama's residence, Suglak Khanj temple, Namgyal monastery and Tibetan museum. Except for Dalai Lama's residence, every other part of the complex is open for tourists. Fourth one is Triund. Triund is an easy trek in Himachal Pradesh that offers you an escape into the majestic Himalayas. Situated a few kilometers from Dharamsala at an altitude of 2,828 meters, it is a place perfect for trekking with amazing trails offering scenic views of the entire Kangra valley. Fifth one is Bhaksunath temple. The Bhaksunath temple is one of the oldest ancient temples located about 3 kilometers from McLeodganj. It is highly revered by the local Gorkha and Hindu community. The two pools around the temples are believed to be sacred and are considered to contain miraculous power of healing. Sixth one is Dharamkot. The little hippie village of Dharamkot is located near Dharamsala and McLeodganj. It is popular as the yoga village. It is ideal to spend some time away meditating in peace. The teeny hamlet is blessed with astounding views of the nearby Kangra valley at the mighty Dhauladar range. Seventh one is Tibetan Museum. It is located in the suburban district of McLeodganj in Dharamsala, Himachal Pradesh. It is the famous Tibetan Museum which is very popular, regarded as the official museum of the Central Tibetan Administration Department of Information and International Relations. It is located very close to the popular temple of Dalai Lama. The Tibetan Museum is purely a work of Tibetan workmanship which incorporates history reports, earthenware, handiworks and various canvases. Eighth one is St. John in the Wilderness Church. St. John in the Wilderness, built in 1852, is one of the most important churches in Himachal Pradesh. This peaceful edifice is known for its Belgian stained glass windows. It is one of the oldest built structure of Dharamsala. This is also the final resting place of Lord Ergin, one of the Governor General and also Viceroy of India during the British Raj. Thanks for watching this video and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.